Hi kids, how are you? Today, let's learn about construction vehicles. Construction vehicles are heavy-duty machines specially designed to perform construction tasks, such as digging and moving large heavy objects. Examples of construction vehicles. Let's learn them one by one. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozers are used for pushing, digging, excavating, and leveling materials at a construction site. Dump truck.
Dump truck.
Dump trucks are used for transporting and unloading large amounts of loose material, such as sand, gravel, or demolition waste.
Excavator.
Excavator. Excavators are used for digging holes, trenches, and foundations. Concrete mixer.
Concrete mixer.
Concrete mixers are trucks that mix and transport concrete from a batching plant to a construction site. Backhoe.
Backhoe.
Backhoes are large machines for digging and moving earth that consists of a large bucket at the end of an arm attached to a vehicle.
Crane truck.
Crane truck. Cranes are composed of pulleys and cables that allow them to lower and lift loads. Forklift.
Forklift.
Forklifts are used to move heavy loads around the construction site or in a warehouse. Drum roller.
Drum roller.
Drum rollers are used to press asphalt, soil, and other loose materials. Let's review. What is this construction vehicle?
Dump truck.
And what is this?
Excavator.
What is this?
Forklift.
And what is this?
Concrete mixer.
What is this?
Crane truck.
And what is this?
Bulldozer.
What is this construction vehicle?
Drum roller.
And what is this?
Backhoe.
You did well! You're fantastic!